Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Journey SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white. It does have that black accenting up front. It looks very nice. You do also have your lights hanging out right there and your fog lights right down there. We got our tires here, lots of tread left on them, and the black rims look very nice. They are 19-inch rims. And coming up here we do also have our mirrors hanging out right there, and they are heated. Coming around to the back here, we got the Dodge badging, the Journey, and then you can open it up just right here. Lots of room back here as well. This guy does lift up just like this, and you do have your net underneath there and some extra storage. And then you can fold this forward with this guy here, just like that, and then you have extra room hanging out there for you and you can just fold down the other side as well. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We have our remote start there, and we also have our panic. And if it is locked, all you gotta do is put your hand in here, it will unlock for you. It does have the proximity keyless entry. So on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Got a handle here, another handle here, and some storage. And it looks very nice in here. These seats are very comfortable. The cloth is very nice. You do have the controls over them here, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support there. And then up here we do have the controls over our lights, or auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights there, in-cabin light control there. And then up here we have the controls over the turning signals, the windshield wipers, and the high beams. Okay, it is a push to start, so foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. In the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, as well as it does also tell us the temperature outside. Now we can switch that guy around in the middle from our vehicle speed to our fuel economy, trip info, tire KPA, vehicle info, messages, and you can turn the menu off as well. Now that is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then over here we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display. So you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media player if you have one hooked up through your aux cord, USB, Bluetooth, or SD card. You also have your heated seats there and outlet control, climate system, so you have a dual climate for you and your passenger, so you can have different temperatures. Then you also have your phone options here and your settings. Down here we do have our hazard lights, our AC, circulation, front and rear defrost, and traction control, volume up and down with the power, dual climate system. You have your power up and down, off, auto, and your browser there. Then you do also have your SD card slot and your CD player, some storage here, and you also have your cup holders here. You have your gear shift and your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there. And then you have your locking glove box right here with your owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you do have a sunglass holder, your lights, and a universal garage door opener. Okay, let's check out the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. It looks awesome back here as well. Same material as the front. Very comfortable. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. You have a plug-in just over there, and you have some extra storage just underneath here. And you can fold these seats forward, just like that. Then you have access to the back, 2 more seats there, and then you do also have your cup holders, and it does seat 7 people altogether. And we have our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2016 Dodge Journey SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.